Today I'm going to teach how to operate your brother sewing machine. Some of you have a problem how to start, so I'm going to teach you very easy way how to start this machine. So first thing, when you get the machine, you have to power plug. Power plug over here, and this is on, and then push this button so you get light on, and your machine is on. So be careful with your needle and all. So let's do that first. How to put a thread. So let's start making putting the thread in your bobbin case. So first thing, you have to pull the thread like this, go like this, and then go around with this little guy, and then you have to see that little tiny hole over here. You just go inside. Yes, okay. Now you can just do that like this and roll by your own little, like that's it, and go here and push them. Now we are ready. You can start. That's it. We got enough. Now you have to pull this one here, take out, and that's it. You can take this one out, and now okay, this one, okay, here, put this one this way, and how to put this one. So we're going to put this bobbin inside and pull little bit and go around. If you see that the thread goes here and here, and you have to go here, and just that's it, leave it. Now for this one, I'm going to show you how to put that needle thread in your needle. So go here, go down straight like this, and then go up, and automatically your thread got inside that here, and pull your thread down and put this one here, hook here. Yes, now you have to push this one, make that little bit up your needle, push with your hand and put this one up. Then this is the how to make that your thread. So pull this one down, put it like this. Where is your needle? And with your finger put your this one here, and then put it here. Where is your needle? And just like this. And if you see that your thread is inside your needle like this. Nice. Now, and don't forget to close this one in like this and press. Okay, be done. So now if you want to start anything, you can first check if your machine is working good or not. Your stitching number is correct or not. So you need to take one any cloth which is you're not using, and that's try to start first check how you want to, what kind of number needle and how you want your stitching. So push this one down, this one like this. Now your machine is locked and ready to stitch. Now you have to press your this foot presser and just start. And then again push this one up and down, and see that it's so beautiful. And I like my stitching, so I did my stitching number is 2. You can see the arrow, you can make a 2 if you want to. And one more thing, so you have a scissor, you can cut your this one over here, you don't need a scissor for that. So here, this is the knife cutting over here like this, easy. So this machine is really easy and very useful, and I'm just enjoying my machine, and hope you have a good time and useful tips for you, and let me know if you like it. Thank you so much.